Mm. Good morning. Welcome to Coffee with an Electrician. Hey, let's get into today's topic. Hey guys, today I want to quickly talk about the economy and what's coming up in the future. It's something that just happened to me this morning that I want to share with you. Look, times are getting a little tough. I got guys that I'm coaching now that have already been laid off from their jobs. I've got former employees that are union that have laid off from their jobs and their jobs are being postponed. I want you guys as electrical contractors, even as electricians, to start getting ready for the upcoming recession. Now, you're probably going to say, Jeff, business is booming. What are you talking about? Don't get fooled. Things go up, things go down. Okay? When I was about to build my house, lumber prices skyrocketed. $1,500 every board feet or whatever. It crashed, went back down to $600-700, and I bought it. All within 4 to 6 month period. Copper material is skyrocketed right now. If it's true what the Economic Ninja says, big shout out, Economic Ninja on YouTube, the housing market is already crashing. In March, it had the lowest number in I don't know how many months. That means people are not buying new houses, which also means people are not going to build new houses. Now, not everywhere. Things like Montana is still going to keep booming. Texas might still be okay for a while. But look, I got a guy in Texas just got laid off. Their whole electrical department got laid off. You need to start getting ready. So what happened with me is Montana passed a law, and I want you to think about a state that you might want to, quote unquote, escape to. If you're in a state that's not business friendly, if you're in a state that's going to overtax you, and then business starts dying, you need to survive. Montana passed the law, HB 105. Big shout out to Katie Sullivan out in Missoula. She's the representative that put it in. If you have a professional license from any state that is substantially equivalent or better or higher standard than Montana, Montana is going to issue that same exact license to you without testing. Huge, guys. That means you can make that move, come to a better state like Montana. I believe it's a better state. And get your license, get up and running, and get up and running and working. For example, today they just notified me that my license is approved. It's kind of provisional, but they're giving me a license because I am licensed in California, and I think California standards are at least substantially equivalent or higher than Montana. Not bashing Montana, but we're over standardized in California. So I hope this helps. Get ready, something to look forward to. Thank you for being here. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you get anything out of this channel. Hit the like or the dislike. If you hit the dislike, let me know why, and we will see you next time on Coffee with an Electrician.